Hi everyone, welcome back to How Logical. In today's video, I'm going to guide you through how to redeem a Fortnite gift card. Keep watching the video till the end and don't forget to subscribe to our channel if you've not yet. Also press the notification bell icon so that YouTube will notify you whenever we post a new video. Open up a web browser. In the top of the screen in the address bar, go and type in www.epicgames.com/Fortnite and press enter. You'll end up in this main homepage of Fortnite. Go ahead and log into your account if you are not logged in yet. Once you are, click on your profile at the top right hand corner and you'll be able to see an expanded menu. Click on the redeem code button in order to redeem your gift code. On the next page, enter your gift code in the text box. After you are done, click on the redeem button in yellow at the bottom and you'll be able to redeem your gift card on Fortnite. That is how it is done. I hope you found the video to be helpful. If it was, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. Comment down in the comment box if you have a question or a feedback for us. I'll be back soon with more tutorial videos like this. Thank you for watching.